Hello, so today I'm going to be showing you how to do a simple plug and play install. The Movolytics plug and play device is nice and easy to install and just installs into the OBD port of your vehicle. If you're unsure where your OBD port can be found, if you check inside the installation guide, you will find a link, and if you enter your vehicle reg, make and model into that link, you'll be able to find the location of your OBD port with pictures showing you exactly where it is. Now, before you install your device, you need to make sure that you record the RMEI number down. This is found on the front of the device, and also what vehicle registration you're going to be putting it into. So for the vehicle behind me, the OBD port is in the glove box, so it's a nice and simple install. Once the device has been installed, you need to make sure that there's two green LEDs flashing on the box, and once these are flashing, that means the device is connected. Once you've installed the device, please send the details of the RMEI and the vehicle reg to support@movolytics.com, and if you have any questions on any of this, please call 0345 604 5286.